Hello guys, welcome to learn something fascinating. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the issue of automatic shutdown and automatic restart in Windows 7 operating system. It's very simple friends. Go to my computer, right click on that. Here you will be shown an option called as properties. Click on that. In that, go to system protection, click that, and in that go to advanced. In that there is an option called as startup and recovery. In that go to settings. Here it will be checked. You have to do is just uncheck this option and click OK. You will get rid of this problem. That's it friends, it's a simple solution. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.